Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Foxy the CEO. You're highly welcome. Today's video I'll be talking about this. This is the Oriflame Feminine wash, and this is the protecting intimate wash cranberry. Okay, so it's written here probiotic plus lactic acid, pH balance, soap free. Okay, so we know that you're not meant to use soap underneath there, Okay, so yeah, we're not meant to use soap underneath there, so it is soap free. I'm going to be reviewing this product because I know a lot of us have this closed up acceptance of it. Okay, we are not yet accepting it, like, because the doctor will tell us don't use anything underneath there. You should just only use your water, nothing should go there. Okay, but as a woman, I have to tell you guys that this is safe. Okay, it is clinically safe. You can use it underneath there. So now, what's the work of this? He wrote protecting intimate wash. How to use it? You can use it by, after having your shower with your water, you wash down there, you wash it and cleanse it with water, then you go in with this. Okay, you go in with this, you pump some, you use it to also cleanse like water, like when you're cleansing with water. Okay, it doesn't contain any soap. It's not a soap, but it's a probiotic kind of wash that can cleanse down there for bacteria. We know that down there it has its own natural protection against germs, but germs can still build up. That is when we talk about candidiasis, staphylococcus. These are bacteria already in the body and already in the vagina, but when it gets too much, when it gets too much, or that place is being tampered, it start having this fishy smell. Say that, okay, it's above the threshold that should be there. It's above the threshold. Okay guys, so this Oriflame Feminine wash, what does it do? Okay, so I have a friend that started using it. So before she started using it, she was complaining about having a tiny ingrowth over there, and some kind of smell that she has not been getting from there, although it's not like fishy kind of smell. But then she said when she started using this, that smell reduced, and then the tiny ingrowth that was forming there now dried up and it has disappeared because of this she is using. Okay guys, so as a woman that is active, I would advise you be on your toes, know what people are what's working for people, because down there you are active. Okay, so when you are active down there, you have to cleanse it very well, use some things to keep the pH balance of that place. Okay, we all know that the vagina is acidic in nature. Okay, so guys, I would recommend this. If you can get your hand on it, you can. If you can afford it, you can. It has advantages. Okay, it has good advantages. It can help you underneath there so that you don't have any discomforting smell or any feeling or discharge coming out from there. So to be safe, to be on a safer side, you can go in with water, like your normal bath. You have a bath, then you wash with water. Okay, you rinse it with water, then you go in with this one and cleanse it with this one. So it is, look at how it is. It has this gel like feel. Okay, can you guys get it? It has this gel like feel. How to use it? Okay, how to use it. When you are in the shower, it's your shower time, you want to have your bath and you finish lathering your body with soap and you clean down. You remember that we don't cleanse down there with soap, we cleanse with water. So when you are done cleansing with water, like the first wash is cleansing with water, then you go in with this after you've cleaned there very neat, then you pump out. It's like gel, like I said earlier. It has this gel like feel. So when you pump out a little, you put in there, you cleanse it very, very well. Like you wash it like as if it's a soap, but it's not a soap. When you cleanse it very well, then you rinse again with water. Rinse it out very well with water and see how you're down there. See how it's gonna feel. It's going to feel fresh, and if there's any bacteria going around the surface, it's going to be gone. If there's any ingrowns coming out there, it's going to be gone. Okay guys, so today I want to tell you guys that it's safe. You can try it out, and I guess you would love it. Okay, so guys, it's just a quick one, and thank you for watching up to this level. You're highly welcome. See you in my next video. Bye.
Then I'm faded, but I rock it like a baby in the car. I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand.